In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a project link in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so you can quickly share a project with teammates or save it for later reference. Start by opening your Grok AI account. Launch Grok in your web browser or the app and make sure you're signed in. If you have multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the right one so the project you want is visible. This keeps you from accidentally sharing the wrong item. From the main dashboard, head to the Projects area. Depending on your layout, you'll see a Projects option in the sidebar or along the top. Click it to view the full list of your projects. If your list is long, use the search bar or any available filters to narrow things down. Next, find the specific project you want to share. Double-check the name and, if shown, the thumbnail or last modified date to be sure you've got the correct one. When you're confident, click the project to open it. This takes you into the project's main workspace where the sharing controls live. Once the project is open, look for the three dots icon, sometimes labeled More Options. It's typically in the top right corner of the project header or near the project title. Click those three dots to open the menu. If you don't see it immediately, try hovering near the project name or expanding the window. On smaller screens, the menu can collapse into that icon. In the menu that appears, choose Share. This opens the sharing panel or dialog for the project. Here, Grok AI centralizes everything related to sharing and access. You're not changing any settings right now. You're just opening the place where the link can be copied. Now, click Copy Link. The system will place the project's shareable link onto your clipboard and usually confirms it with a brief message like Link Copied. From here, you can paste the link into an email, a chat, a document, or any workflow tool your team uses. A couple of quick tips to avoid surprises. Right after copying, paste the link into a blank note or message to confirm it looks correct. Keep in mind that your organization's access settings might apply to that link. If someone can't open it, they may need permission from you or an admin, even though the link itself is valid. And that's it. Open your Grok account, go to Projects, select the right project, open it, use the three dots menu, tap Share, and then copy link. Simple, reliable, and done in seconds.